Hey guys, it's Sneaker Girl 79 again. I just did my review on the Retro 6 Sport Blue. If you check that video, I have 5 more to go. So I'm just gonna random pick them. So I don't know what are the what are the what retro are which retro are them. So here we go. I want to pick this one. So, this one is the Retro 13. Yay! This one is Black Gym Red. And it's funny because I was, Nike restocked the Retro 13 men's size, and I happened to cop a pair for my husband, so he's gonna do the review when that shoes arrive. So let me show you how the shoes look like. I haven't seen this for years, I guess. I don't know, I can't remember when they dropped the shoes. Okay. So here is the 13. 13 is one of my favorite. I like from 1 to 14. That was my whole goal when I first started collecting. It was my goal is from 1 to 14. But then I don't know what happened. We just go crazy and buy every every retro that they drop, different colorway and stuff. So let me show you the close-up look of the shoes. Side, the back, the bottom. Oh, the bottom is white and black. Nice. And you see the Junkman. This is what I like about it, the 13. And then the side, as you can see, there's a label. I haven't peeled it off yet, so it's, I don't know if you can see it, but it's green. 23. I'm looking down, so it's a 23, but it's kind of like green, glowing green color. So the other side and the front. So I'm gonna make this quick because I still have like 4 more to go, unless there's more that I forgot about them. So here we go. I guess I must try it on because the shoelace is not. Oh, yeah, I think I tried them on. Why did I do that? Alright. So, like I said, I just did my review on the Sport Blue 6, Retro 6. Got time, check them out. So, I guess I have to unlace this. And this is size 5, yeah. You know what, I'm gonna tuck it in. Just to make it faster. I like the 13 a lot. Like, here's the Nike logo. I'm sorry, the Junkman, and then Jordan's names on there. So let me show you 360. Here is the front, the side, back, bottom, side, and the front, and then the inside. This look pretty cool. I like it. I just didn't wear them. I mean, I didn't get a chance to wear them yet. But let me show you one more round and I'll end this video. Back. So again, like, I don't, can you see it? Because it's like greenish color, 23. It's pretty dope. Bottom again, it look pretty clean. The side and the front. Well guys, that's how the Retro 13 gray size look like on foot. As always, again, thank you. Rate, subscribe, and hit that thumb up button. Thanks. Bye.